Hey YouTube, it's me Trace, and today I'm going to be making a paper plane video for you. And hopefully it'll let me finish this one up. Look like.
Is that the one that you broke?
Let me finish this one up so I can show you what it's going to look like. Like this. And this is how far it's gonna fly. Pick up. Dang! Like this. And we're gonna turn it. This is the. Okay. So let me go get that. Alright. Dude, is that a UFO? The heck was that? What the heck?
A frisbee, Isaiah. Try to throw like a frisbee.
So, we unfold this because I know how to fold it, but okay. So first YouTube, you're gonna take this.
YouTube, he don't know what he's doing, so don't
Yeah,
listen to him.
I do. Okay. So I have this, and an easy thing to do is to take it and put your finger right about here, and then do it. So this is, stop it!
Don't watch his vlog! Have you ever get any likes on YouTube yet?
Yes. I have 2 subscribers.
Take the clothes out the washing machine.
Mom,
Go take the clothes out
I'm
the
eating a
washing
lollipop,
machine. Give
Mom.
a shit less money.
I'm in Lollipop, Mom.
Go take the clothes out the washing machine.
Okay, so then what I want you to do is that I want you to take this and just fold it like this. Like most favorite airplanes.
Stop recording.
Nuh-uh. Mine's still going. It was Ryan's. Alright, so do this. You're going to fold it like this. Just like most paper airplanes. Then what I want you to do is I want you to fold it down. And I want you to take this tip and make it to where, like, you can fold it down in the middle. You see that? Where you can fold this down to the middle. Okay? Alright, let me redo that because I had to show y'all. Fold this down.
Why do you bother to do this?
It's fun.
Nobody's gonna watch it.
It's not true.
That is true.
Alright, and then I think what you're going to do is you're going to fold that. But see, you're going to take this tip and fold it to the middle like that. Like that. Like so.
Technological advances in mass production and refrigeration have made beer and liquor cheaper and more readily
Alright, so then what I want you to do is I want you to take this
Yet the booze boom has a dark side.
and flip it like this. But fold it. Make sure you crease it very good. See that?
Suffering from alcohol addiction.
Alright, and then
But there is hope for
what
the
you're going to
alcohol
do,
drinkers.
this is going to be the bottom.
A doctor from Western
So you're going to take this bottom.
says he has found a way
I think
to vanquish the terrible
I think I did this wrong.
Healy has set up a clinic where he treats alcoholics using a special elixir of his own
I'm going to fold this up so you have extra wing.
of their insatiable cravings. Healy's great discovery was called double chloride of gold.
Yeah, this is different, but we're going to try this out anyway. So maybe it's a good plan. So come on, we're going to go outside. Stupid drink cup. Alright, so we're going to go outside. What? We're going to see how far this goes. Alright. Okay, so we're looking. And 1, 2, 3. That was a good plane. That was pretty good. That was really good. All right. That's a really good indoor outside plane. That's a really good plane. So yeah, make it if you want to. Goodbye, YouTube. All right. Or not goodbye yet. We're gonna try it inside. See if it's a good inside. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's pretty good. I didn't throw it good. You jerk! Do that. You gotta throw that one a little bit hard. Like, throw it. And one more for time's sake. 1, 2. Yeah, don't throw it too hard. That's mine. All right. That was pretty good. Kind of screwed it up. But you know what? This is 2 paper planes, so I'm gonna make 2 paper planes. And I'm gonna show you how to make the first one that I was supposed to make. All right. So take that one. Toss that one. All right. Sit my camera up. And I got a timer here too.
Print style speaks for itself, and the men's store JCPenney has a
Really,
your language because the statement should say Jimmy.
So first, like the other one, you're gonna fold this in the middle.
Hey everyone, what's up? Jeremy Schaefer here. Check out the new model I have. It looks like a staircase, but it's actually a boomerang airplane. Check it out.
Oh, the heck? Alright, so fold this over, like I initially did. You wanna place that. Dang, man. Alright, so yeah, you wanna place that. Alright, so you're gonna undo this. And you're gonna take this, like always. You're gonna put it like that. And then you're gonna fold it down. Then take this and fold it where there's a tip right here. Okay, so you got that down. I'm going too fast, I'm sorry, just pause. Then you fold this tip down here, if you can see that. Right here. Then you're gonna fold that little tip down. So you can see, so this is what we have so far. And then, what you're gonna do, is you're gonna fold this way. Like I did the first time. And as you can see, this is gonna be the bottom part. And then you fold this down. Ryan! Sorry. Like that. And then you're gonna take this. And as you can see, just do this on both sides. So I'm gonna look at that. And fold this. Sorry! Jerk! Quit being a jerk on her. That's trace. And then, so it's gonna look like this. That's trace. And then, what I like to do, so I'm just gonna fold this to the side, like this. Take a little bit off there, on the bottom, and fold it up, just like this. Okay, so, that's what you're gonna get. Let's get tested out. First, we're gonna do it outside. Alright, come on. I'm hoping this is gonna be a little bit better. Alright. Shut the door. Alright. 1, 2, 3. That was a lot better. And then we're gonna do it. Throw it up here. See if it goes up at all. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no, that's not a good glider. Alright, so we're gonna go inside and try it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. making a video for Paper Planes. Alright, bye YouTube.